Every once in a while, we are hit with a big surprise that pops up right underneath our noses. This is the case with research recently conducted on one of the most familiar critters in the world, squirrels. We all know the classic image of a cute little squirrel, its cheeks bulging with seeds, nuts, or grains, scurrying around the grass, gathering food for the winter. But recent research has uncovered something that might just surprise you. Some squirrels in California are hunting and eating small rodents. Yes, you heard that right. These squirrels are going full carnivore. This groundbreaking study, conducted by the University of Wisconsin-Eau and the University of California, Davis, is the first to document widespread hunting behavior in these creatures. Published in the Journal of Ethology, the findings challenge everything we thought we knew about squirrels. What we once believed to be a granivorous species, meaning they primarily eat seeds, turns out to be much more of an opportunistic omnivore, adaptable and willing to expand their diet when the opportunity arises. This was shocking, said lead author Jennifer E. Smith, an associate professor of biology at University of Wisconsin-Eau, who leads the long-term ground squirrels project with Sonia Wild of University of California, Davis. We had never seen this behavior before. Squirrels are one of the most familiar animals to people. We see them right outside our windows. We interact with them regularly. Yet, here's this never-before-encountered in science behavior that sheds light on the fact that there's so much more to learn about the natural history of the world around us. The discovery comes from long-term fieldwork at Briones Regional Park in Contra Costa County, California. During the summer of 2024, researchers observed squirrels hunting voles, small rodents, across a span of several weeks. In fact, 42% of the interactions with voles during that period involved the squirrels actively hunting them. That's a significant number. At first, even the lead researchers were doubtful. The field team would report their findings, but the researchers couldn't quite believe it. They were initially uncertain until they saw the video footage themselves. It was hard to believe what they were seeing, but once they started paying closer attention, the behavior became increasingly frequent, with sightings occurring almost daily. From videos and photos to direct observations, scientists tracked squirrels of all ages and genders, hunting, eating, and competing for voles. This carnivorous activity peaked in early July, coinciding with a population boom of voles in the park, as noted by local citizen scientists. It seems the squirrels were taking advantage of an abundant food source, hunting only voles and not other mammals. This ability to adapt their behavior based on food availability is key to the squirrel's survival, especially in rapidly changing environments. Dr. Wild suggests this flexibility might help these ground squirrels thrive even as human activity reshapes the landscape around them. As it turns out, these animals are remarkable at taking advantage of opportunities. Much like raccoons, coyotes, and humans, they continuously adapt their strategies to maximize whatever resources are at hand. This is crucial for survival in a rapidly changing world. This study has raised as many questions as it has answered. How widespread is this hunting behavior? Do these ground squirrels learn it from their parents? What impact does it have on the local ecosystem? And perhaps most intriguing of all, what does it mean for squirrel reproduction, especially when compared to previous years? One thing is clear, there's still so much to learn. The research team is eager to return to the field next summer to continue unraveling the mysteries of these fascinating creatures. Those researching animals are always getting new surprises, and it seems that in the case of California ground squirrels, the surprises are just beginning. And a bit more squirrel news before we go, there has been a new species of squirrel identified in Idaho. There is no footage available of it yet, so I'll link the article from the Journal of Mammalogy in the description. There's always something new to be discovered in the wild. Don't stop here. Find out more. Visit the links in the description below for more in-depth information on the stories presented in this video. Or if you are a part of a wildlife organization doing something interesting right now, let us know in the comments.